What's up everyone, Nightmare here. Today we have a super fun challenge lock from Stormcrow. It's called Bombay Sapphire. Been picking on this one for a while and I think I've got it. Gonna use a nice tight fitting 1.3 millimeter tensioner, and then we'll be using my new Covert Instruments 20 thou picks just for funsies. Got a short flat and a medium round. Let's give this guy a go. Yeah, that full set is actually crazy. Okay, there we go. Holy. I opened this up like probably 10 minutes before this, after picking on it for a while, but I've been picking on this for like probably 2 hours total. And then I tried to record it right after and I was like, oh, I got it. And I did not have it. I had to restart the recording again because I didn't want the video to take forever. But this was a nasty challenge lock. Probably one of the hardest I've picked so far, which I enjoy. It makes for a really satisfying open, and I absolutely cannot wait to see what's on the inside. Take a minute to check out the awesome engravings like we've seen in our past videos from Stormcrow. Shim when gutting. We will. Oh, and here's the key for anyone that's curious. They always give me the challenge locks like this, just because they're at my local meetup. So I take them out, but I try to kind of like put them to the side, and I had like 8 of them, so I try not to pay attention, but you see the beautiful milling on the key. Just super pretty art all the way around. See, it says Stormcrow. But yeah, some nice little lows. A high set pin one, which is the bane of my existence. Once I figured that out, that's when I finally got my first open. A Bombay Sapphire, super cool. Let's get this guy gutted. So far, so good. I'm not seeing what tripped me up so much. Oh, okay, now I'm kind of seeing. Let's dump these key pins and I'll show you the core. Nice open crow. Awesome. I love the look of these cores. Just all the tooling, engravings. Looks super good. Oh, wait. I'm always missing something. Here we go. Tweezers. Oh. Drop that out. Just a tiny little key pin. High lift on one. Looks to be all standard. Okay. Yeah, look at that undercut milling. I was like, where are the deep false sets coming from? That's where. And then threading on 6. Let's get a pick in here. Oh, yeah. Look at that. Look at the size of the pick. Disappears. Oh my god. I don't even know how you cut that. This one's not as bad. These front 3 are insane. It's actually wild. Because, yeah, we picked it this way. I assume it's the reverse on the other side, though. Oh, yeah. I was asking Stormcrow about this lock and telling that I was struggling with it at my local meetup. And they're like, yeah, it's basically like 600 gins light. So that's... I'm very happy that we were able to open it. This was a really fun one. Of course, now my shim is stuck. There we go. This is the front. Oh, let's get zoomed back in here. Oh yeah, very nice gins. This core follower is like stupid tight. These are really nice gins. I want to learn how to make pins like this when I make my own challenge lock. It's like a serrated gin. It's like one serration. As if the gins were not hard enough. And that was 3. Let's start from the back. A nice taper. I believe that's like a serrated taper. Maybe it's just normal. No, that looks pretty serrated. We'll see when we get the close-up. Oh. Christmas tree. I love this log already. No wonder. Pain in my butt to pick. Out here making black belt challenge logs. It's like 600 mixed with 700 light. Diet 700. This 700 we have at home. No, this is really good. Okay. Nothing with the body. Let's get a close up on this. Super pretty. Get a close up. Yeah, I think that driver 6 is tapered for sure. Awesome work. Zoom back in and get this put back together. Well, this gives me hope that we can get through the other, I think I still have 4 left from Stormcrow. This was definitely the hardest one I picked so far, though. It was a good one. I think this was a new one they made, too. I think they made this fairly recently. Yeah, I love these pins. I can't wait to try and make something like this. Oops. There we go. Should be good. Put that in wrong. Oh no, there it goes. What the heck? Did you guys see that? I thought I put them in wrong. It's just kind of caught on that. There we go. Okay. Good to know. I was gonna say, luckily that core follower fits super tight. Perfect. Make sure to not pull the core out. Let's get this guy buttoned up. Okay, so it's tight. Back it off one. See if it's. Nope, that feels good. Awesome. That was Bombay Sapphire by Stormcrow, picked and gutted. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in the next one.